Hi, I am Teacher Max. This is Form 4 at Maths class. Today we are going to look at Chapter 1, Functions. Functions is a kind of relationship. Let's say a cup of coffee costs 2 ringgit. And we want to see the relationship between the number of cup of coffee and the amount you need to pay. If you want to get 1 cup of coffee, you need to pay 2 ringgit. If you want to get 2 cups of coffee, you need to pay 4 ringgit. If you want to get 3 cups of coffee, you need to pay 6 ringgit. Right, so here, to show the relationship between these two quantities, we draw an arrow. And this is called mapping. We say that 1 is mapped to 2. 2 is mapped to 4. 3 is mapped to 6. 4 is mapped to 8. And 5 is mapped to 10. So here we show the relationship between these two quantities. And this is called an arrow diagram. An arrow diagram will show the relationship between these two quantities. The ones here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, are called objects. And the ones here are called images. Another way to show the relationship is by ordered pairs. We represent the above relationship as below. One more way to show the relationship is by graph. Here it is. Note that 1 is mapped to 2. And 2 is mapped to 4. 3 is mapped to 6, and so on. Next, let's see how we can represent this relationship in mathematics notations. Now 1 is mapped to 2. 2 is mapped to 4, and so on. So if we have an x here, it is mapped to, well, we can put a y here. But what is the value of y? Let's see. How do we get 2 from 1? We multiply 1 by 2. How do we get 6 from 3? We multiply 3 by 2. So to get y, we multiply x by 2. So here, y equal to x. The relationship between the two sets of data is called a function. What is the function here? The relationship here is multiply the object by 2. The function f maps x to 2x. We can use another notation to show the function or the mapping. X is mapped to fx. Here, it means that the object x has undergone the function of f. And what is fx? Well, it is of course 2x. So these are the mathematics notation for function. If we have this, This one means that this function f maps x to negative x plus 4. For this one, it is read as negative x plus 4 is the image of x under the function of f. Or more simply, function f of x equal negative x plus 4. These two notations are the same. Essentially, it means that the object x undergoes the function of f, and the image is negative x plus 4.